Hi everyone, this is Leeds International School, Form 1, First Midterm, Geography. Lesson number 1, the school and its immediate surroundings. Children, these are my learning objectives to guide you how to indicate the location of your school appropriately. To identify the shape of school land. To identify the directions. Children, after the studying of this lesson, you will be able to explain the location of your school or your home according to the administrative division. Children, before I approach to the lesson, I want to ask few questions from you all. These are my questions. What is the province of your hometown? Southern province or northern province or eastern province? Yes, you are southern province. Then tell me, what is the district of you? Colombo district or Hambantota district or Galle district or Kandy district or Mathura district? Yes, you are Galle district. Children, the Galle district made up of number of divisional secretariat division like Hikkaduwa Divisional Secretariat Division, Ambalangoda Divisional Secretariat Division, Bope Poddala Divisional Secretariat Division. Our school belongs to Bope Poddala Divisional Secretariat Division. Next is Gramaniladhari Division. Children, the Gramaniladhari Division is the smallest administrative unit. It is made up of one or more villages. Every Gramaniladhari division has a number and name like Kiturampitiya, B or Panandura, Pinmatta, 100, like it has its own number or letter. There may be several Gramaniladhari divisions in a divisional secretariat division. As an example, Kadawat Satara Divisional Secretariat Division constitutes a collection of Fort Gramaniladhari Division, China Garden Gramaniladhari Division, Minuangoda Gramaniladhari Division, like that. The location of your school in the divisional administrative hierarchy. Children, now you all know the province of our school belongs. Yes, we are Southern Province. Then district? Yes, Galle District. Divisional Secretariat Division is Bope Poddala Divisional Secretariat Division. Then Gramaniladhari Division? Yes, Gramaniladhari Division is Kitulampitiya. Then Leeds International School, Galle. Children, a district constitutes a collection of several divisional secretariat divisions. Example, Galle district constitutes a collection of Kadawat Satara Divisional Secretariat Division, Hikkaduwa Divisional Secretariat Division, Ambalangoda Divisional Secretariat Division. Two or more districts make a province. This province is considered as the largest administrative division in the country. Example, Galle district, Mathura district, Hambantota district make the province which called Southern Province. Children, you can clarify this lesson further through this figure. My dear sons and daughters, from this map you can identify the location of your school. In here you can see the Lean International School in red color symbol. Next is Grama Niladhari. My dear sons and daughters, let us turn our attention to map which indicates the districts and the provinces in Sri Lanka. Before you observe the map, you should know the symbols of the boundaries. Province boundary, district boundary and main city. Children, now you can identify the districts, provinces and main cities with their boundaries and symbols. These are few of them. Goa district, Matara district and Hambantota district belong to southern province. Gampaha district, Colombo district and Kalutara district belong to western province. Children, from this map you can easily identify all 9 provinces and all 25 districts too. My dear sons and daughters, from this map you can identify the location of your school. Children, in this figure, you cannot see the actual pictures of school premises. To indicate the places of school premises, they have used different symbols. So, this plan of the school premises is very clear. Easily identify the places than the location of a school garden. Identification of the direction. Indication of the direction is important when drawing a plan. Children, when you can identify the north, you can identify the other directions as well. So, we can use two methods to identify the north. One is by using compass. The next one is according to the direction of the sunrise in the morning. Children, this is the method that you can identifying the direction according to the direction of the sunrise in the morning if a compass is not available. Children, we all know that sun rises from the east. So, you have to turn towards the east and you have to stretching your hands. Your right hand points to the direction of the south, the opposite direction to which your left hand is pointed is the north. Accordingly, you can identify the other directions easily. Children, in this figure, you cannot see the actual pictures of school premises. To indicate the places of school premises, they have used different symbols. So, this plan of the school premises is very clear. This is the summary of my lesson. The location of the school in the divisional administrative hierarchy, marking the location of the school on a map of Sri Lanka, shape of the school land in a sketch map, identification of the direction according to the sunrise in the morning. These are the activities you have to be done. With the help of your teacher, present the following information about the location of your school: village or town, name and number of the Gramanila division, divisional secretariat division, district, province in which your school is located. Write 5 sentences about the location of your school in relation to the information you obtain. Look at figure 1.4 and fill in the blanks. One is by using compass. The next one is according to the direction of the sunrise in the morning. Thank you. Have a nice day.